When it comes to Apex Legends, movement has always been one of the staples that separates the game from its competitors like Call of Duty, Rainbow Six Siege, Valorant, and other competitive first-person shooters. This is only made more apparent when playing against highly skilled players. Shot accuracy helps with being competitive in Apex Legends, but what can really set players apart is movement. Helpful moves to learn include wall bouncing, crouch spamming, which is when you rapidly press your crouch button while simultaneously firing your weapon, and what we will show you in this video, bunny hopping, or B-hopping for short. Bunny hopping is when you carry the momentum you have created by sliding into a series of miniature hops. This can be best utilized when attempting to use healing items without losing speed or momentum, since healing regularly causes your character to move very slowly during the process. Bunny hopping is actually very simple once you've figured out the timing of it. First and foremost, you want to make sure you have your crouch button set to hold instead of toggle. To do this, you will go into your settings, head to the mouse and keyboard section, and bind hold crouch to a key you are comfortable with on mouse and keyboard. For controller, you will go over to the controller tab in settings and switch the crouch button to hold instead of toggle. Once that setting has been changed, gather some speed by briefly running, then slide into a jump, and while holding the crouch button, simultaneously press the jump button as your character touches the ground. The best way to maintain momentum while doing this is to zigzag or move in a pattern that looks like this. Once you've mastered bunny hopping, you will find that your movements will be more efficient and you can cover more ground faster, gaining a significant competitive edge.